Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about YouTube Studio error which is occurring about real-time data. As you can see, as you open your real-time views, you see an error. We are experiencing issues with the system for real-time data. This may cause inaccurate view counts and reports of video performance. We are working on the issue, which means it is an error due to the server error of the YouTube or any kind of error in the YouTube server. So they are trying their best to fix that. Now if you want to fix that error, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply go to app info, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on storage, and here you have to simply clear the cache. After clearing the cache, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on Play Store, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for YouTube Studio, and after that what you have to do, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your YouTube Studio app, because many error and bugs are fixed by the updated version of the YouTube Studio. And after you update, then your error will be resolved by the YouTube Studio updated version. If the problem is still there, then as it is written, then you have to wait for some time so that YouTube can fix that error automatically. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.